We're gonna go and see if we can book our 4-island tour today. We want to book for a private boat.
Tomorrow morning?
Yeah. 2,200 private boat tomorrow, 4-island tour, 8 o'clock in the morning. Here we go, 4-island tour. Possibility of rain, but it looks lovely out there at the moment. So we're gonna get up nice and early, try and beat the crowds. We'll see what happens. Fingers crossed. It's not too busy, but it is a Sunday, so
yeah.
We'll see how we go. Here's our boat for the day. Right.
Good.
So quiet.
Very quiet.
I think we're the first ones out in the morning.
Up at 6.
Yeah.
At the door and a quick coffee at 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
Here we go.
So it's just before 8.
Một uống là đi đến.
There's nobody here. That's our boat, man. There's our boat, and this is it. This is Tub Island. A couple of wee boats coming in now. What do you think?
Amazing.
Beautiful. So the water is amazing. I don't know whether you'll be able to pick it up on camera. It's just incredible. Turquoise, so clear, so nice, and the temperature is amazing, and it's so warm in here. It's so good. It's like a bath. Yeah, literally we've got our own island for maybe 10-15 minutes. Yeah, which is good. We beat the traffic. Next one after this will be Chicken Island for photos and stuff. But this is wow. This is amazing. Keep walking around, Heather. Look at that. Like a wee sandbank beach here. That's where we came from. Way past there, over there. Incredible. Have a wee swim. It's like a wee beach hut thing up there. You get like snacks or drinks, but we've got all our stuff with us. We stopped off at 7-Eleven and loaded up. It's pretty good. Weather is keeping, it's holding. We got drenched anyway with the sea spray coming over. But yeah, what do you think?
That's pretty good. Look at this. So, oh no. Should we get our stuff?
Okay.
We should get our
bring
stuff.
Up here, yeah. Right. Oh,
Huh?
there's a group. That's a group.
Oh. Yeah, it's video.
On video. So you finished
I am, but they won't be able to hear you. There's Chicken Island.
Yeah, mate, go good. Yeah, very windy, yeah. Just stopped off Chicken Island, just got our photos done, engines up again. All good. Island, Chicken Island. There's Tub Island over there we were just on. And it's pretty busy over there now, so we're doing well. Beating the crowds at Thankyou. It's quite out at sea, so yeah, it's all good. No, before. Ah, okay. This one? Yeah. Yeah, no problem, right? Yeah.
Huh? Yeah.
So it's the same.
Okay.
Yeah. I think it's some weather coming. Yeah, we're just pulling up to Poda Island. It's over here. Whoa, look at this. Wow. 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 The water, I don't know whether you can see how blue it is. It's so blue. Wow. Oh wow, it's incredible. Look at this. This is incredible. Sandwich.
I'm no longer alone.
You can hold that as well. Tell them that's what you've had.
Where are we?
Holder.
We've arrived on Poda Island. We're just gonna have some lunch. It's only 9:30. Oh, it's probably like 10 now.
We've already had some sushi.
We've already eaten some of this. These are really nice from 7-Eleven. I get the sashimi one and David has the spicy salmon.
Really nice. For $1.
We're gonna try this, I don't even know what it is. Shredded chicken chili paste daily sandwich.
Sounds good.
It sounds hot.
Yeah. Be a bit of chili in it, sorry.
Nothing but bread.
Get in the middle of it. Break it open.
Oh, no, it's that flossy thing.
Oh, it's the flossy stuff, yeah. It's obviously chicken floss, this one, isn't it?
Not a fan.
Not for you?
No.
Nah? Smells interesting.
It tastes like that condensed milk again.
A bit more flavour though. Oh yeah, you can taste the chili.
I tasted no chili.
We're gonna go a little kick there. Not much, but it's fine. Fills you up.
Yeah.
Brought packed lunch today. Obviously the prices are going to be a bit more on the little islands and stuff. We bought a coffee for the boatman because we arrived this morning and we were early, and he just arrived and just had a coffee in his hand. He had to put it down. We told him he could have it, but he was like, no, we go. So we just bought him a coffee just so he has a little bit of caffeine in him so he doesn't fall asleep. But yeah, we're probably going to be here for an hour or two, probably 2. Have a bit of lunch, chill out. The water looks amazing, it's so blue. And then I think after that we go to Riley, which we've been to before, but we're going to go again, have a wander. But yeah, it's been a good day so far. Good morning. All good. We're going to eat.
I'm gonna stick to this. So good. We can go up there into the rocks. Natural swiftlets. Swiftlets. That looks kind of scary. We're on a, what is this? Like a cliff thing?
Eh?
A cave thing?
Yeah, we caved
Yeah.
here in Powder Island.
We've just been hanging out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? But you want me to jump off?
You just hang on the edge.
So we've made it to Riley Beach and we're just stopping for some lunch in, what is this place called?
This place is called Coco.
Coco.
Here we go. Not too sure what I'm ordering yet.
Really?
Probably pad thai. They do have eggs on toast. I'm craving eggs on toast.
No, you have to get something Thai.
I get to it all the time.
Yes, all the time. Only Thai. Right, this is the first time I'm trying Tom Yum. I asked for little spice. Ooh, that's weird. It's like red at the top. It smells nice.
Smells good actually. Smell from here. Nice.
Really good.
You sorted? You don't have to swap?
No, we don't have to swap. That's a really nice to try, babe. There is a little bit of spice in it, but you probably won't be able to tell.
Yeah, it's quite acidic, eh? It's nice. Oh yeah, it's really good.
It's definitely fish sauce or something.
Fish sauce, lemongrass, chili. It's got a bit of chili. I've only ever had it once, but it's definitely got acidity in it, eh? It's definitely acidic. It's yummy.
It's
Really
nice.
good. Yep.
What'd you get?
Well, I just got a nice comforting pad thai. Yeah, I want fancy pad thai, so give it a go. The lime on. Looks good. Good size, eh?
Yeah. So that was 80.
Yep.
My one was 100.
Very good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good pad thai?
Everything in it.
Is this spicy enough for you?
I could do with a bit more spice, but that's okay.
Can I try and see if it compares to the best pad thai I've ever had? That's good. Still hasn't beaten out the other one though.
Our normal place. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's good. That's some noodles.
Beautiful.
I like it.
And I head back to the boat. Get dropped off back at Ao Nang. Go and get some money changed. Get some beers. And we're going to have a nice cruisy afternoon and evening. Just chill out.
Yeah.
We're both pretty tuckered out.
Yeah.
How's the sushi doing there, Heather?
It's really good.
Show the camera. Try and get a. Oh, no, it's in front.
What are you doing?